Now, as you can see, I'm missing a bubble over here. So before I do anything, I need a piece of yarn. I'm going to leave a tail to wave in at the end. I'm going to pick right leg and I'm going to follow the way you do Barbara's bubble. So now let's put that on the left needle and let's do Barbara's bubble. So we're going to knit one, put the stitch on the left needle, knit it again, let it go, still to the same stitch, repeat what I have just done, and again. So I'm creating kind of 3 columns. Now release completely, left needle, and now put everything, those 3 stitches on the left needle. And I'm going to do CDD, which is center double decrease. I'm slipping knitwise 2 stitches together, placing the 3rd one as if to purl, and then pass over through that stitch. Lovely. Now once I have that 1 stitch, I'm going to take yarn and pull it through. That's not in the tutorial for the bubble, but just I need this to wave in ends. So now I'm going to grab tapestry needle. And what I like to do, I'm going to put it through the same stitch, or the V's, if we can say, that I started my bubble. Like this. No worries. If you don't like it, then you can move it. But I think, you see, in this case, it will be okay. As you can see, my little stitch over here, a little bit too big, but it works. Okay, and I'm just waving ends. And let's take the other end. I put it under, and we're waving in ends. And that's that. As you can see, I probably could have it done tighter because it's slightly bigger than others, but I think it's fine.